ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कथमात्मेति योऽयं विज्ञानमय प्राणेषु हृद्यन्तर्ज्योतिः पुरुषः स समान सन्नुभौ लोकावनुसञ्चरति ध्यायतीव लेलायतीव स हि स्वप्नो भूत्वा इमं लोकम् अतिक्रामति मृत्योरूपाणि. On this mantra we saw Katama Atma. How far is the question? 3 vikalpas we saw. Katama Atma iti 1. Katama Atma Praneshu iti. And Praneshu Hridyantarjyotihi Purusha iti. Of the 3 vikalpas, finally we took the first one, Katama Atma iti. Page number 1004. Second paragraph in Bhashya. Yoyam iti Atmanah Pratyakshатван Nirdesha. Atma is Pratyaksha. Pratyaksha means Aparoksha. Pratyaksha Shabda and Aparoksha Shabda, they are used interchangeably. Now, Yoyam, that is done. Next word is Vijnanamaya. Vijnanamayo, Vijnana Prayah. Buddhi, Vijnana, Upadi, Samparka, Vivekat. Vijnanamaya ityuchyate. Buddhi is the Vijnana Upadhi. Buddhi, Vijnana Upadhi is Karmadhara. Tasya Samparkat. Samparka means Avivekat. So Buddhi, which is Vijnanamaya, it's Aviveka with Atma. Jivatma. Therefore, Jivatma is called Vijnanamaya because of Buddhi Upadhi. In Viveka Chudamani, you will see a shloka which talks about Yoyam Vijnanamaya Praneshu. So, really speaking, Atma is Vijnana Swarupa, Vijnana Mana. But instead of taking Atma directly as Vijnana, instead of that, Buddhi, which is Vijnana Swarupa, that Vijnana Swarupa Buddhi Adhyasa with Atma. Therefore, Atma is called Vijnanamaya. In this way, it is taken. This is what you have to remember. Buddhi Vijnana Samprukta eva hi yasmad upalabhyate rahuriva chandraditya samprukta. Buddhi Vijnana Samprukta. Buddhi, which is Vijnana Swarupa, tat Samprukta is Atma. This mantra is Tat Padartha or Tvam Padartha mantra. Tvam Padartha. Vachyartha or Lakshyartha?
Lakshyartha.
Lakshyartha. Buddhi Vijnana Samprukta eva hi yasmad upalabhyate. Atma is available only when available for Vyavahara, only when associated with Buddhi, which is Vijnana Swarupa. Rahu Riva Chandraditya Samprukta. Like Rahu, associated with Chandra, Aditya, etc. बुद्धिर्हि सर्वार्थकरणम तमसीव प्रदीपः पुरोवस्थितः. बुद्धि ही is सर्वार्थकरणम. इन टीका विज्ञान शब्दार्थम आचक्षाणः आचक्षाणस्तत्प्रायत्वं प्रकटयति. व्हाट इज द विज्ञान प्रायः? सो इट इज सेड बुद्धि विज्ञान संपृक्त एव उपलभ्यते. विज्ञान शब्दार्थम आचक्षाणः तत्प्रायत्वं प्रकटयति. आचक्षाणः, व्हाट इज द धातु?
चक्षिण.
चक्षिंग, what?
Yuktayam.
What? What is the pratyaya? Shanaj pratyaya. Buddhireva vijnanam. You have to remember, Atma also is vijnanam anandam brahma. Ratir dhatuhu parayanam, we saw. But instead of that, it is said, buddhi is vijnanam. Vijnayate anena iti vijnanam. Iti vyutpattes tena upadhina samparka eva avivekas tasmad iti yavat. Tena buddhi, which is vijnana swarupa, which is the upadhi of Atma. Between them, there is aviveka. Samparka eva aviveka. Tasmad iti yavat. Tat samparke pramanam aha buddhi vijnana iti. Tasmad vijnanamaya iti shesha. ननु चक्षुर्मयः श्रोत्रमयः इत्यादि हित्वा विज्ञानमय इत्येव कस्माद् उपदिश्यते तत्र. If you want to take upadhi of Atma, everything is upadhi. Chakshu is there, shrotra is there, tvagindriya is there, everything is upadhi. Why you are taking only buddhi upadhi? Chakshurmaya you could have said, श्रोत्रमय, त्वंगमय इत्यादि हित्वा विज्ञानमय इति एव कस्माद् उपदिश्यते. Why in this way alone the उपदेश given? तत्राह बुद्धिर्हि सर्वार्थकरणं तमसीव प्रदीपः पुरोवस्थितः. बुद्धि is सर्वार्थकरणं. सर्व विषयम प्रति साधारण, साधारण कारण और साधारण करण. whereas all the others are विशेष. तमसी इव प्रदीपः पुरोवस्थितः. For all karana, buddhi is like pradeepa, lamp. All the karanas are like andhakara. Karana cannot work without buddhi vijnanam. मनसा ह्येव पश्यति, मनसा शृणोति इति हि उक्तम्. So in टीका तस्याः साधारणकरणत्वे प्रमाणः. बुद्धि साधारणकरण. In that pramanam is मनसा ह्येव पश्यति, मनसा ह्येव शृणोति. This was said earlier in Brahadaranyaka in this Upanishad 153. मनसः सर्वार्थत्वं समर्थयते. Mana means buddhi. Here they are one. Manasaha sarvartha. Mind is sarvartha. Samarthayate. It is supported. Buddhi vijnana aloka vishishtam eva hi sarvam vishaya jatam upalabhyate. Purovasthita pradeepa aloka vishishtam eva tamasi. Buddhi vijnana aloka vishishtam सर्वम विषय जातम. All विषय शब्द स्पर्श रूप रसगंध, they all get illumined only when बुद्धि विज्ञान आलोक विशिष्टम. पुरोवस्थित प्रदीप आलोक विशिष्टम इव तमस, just like puroवस्थित, something which is present in front in darkness becomes illumined. It is like enwrapped in the prakasha, pradeepa alok. Then it gets illumined. Then kimarthani tarhi chakshurādīni karāṇāni ityāsaṅkyaha. Then what is the objective of all these chakshurādi karana? Iti आशंक्याः द्वारमात्राणि तु अन्यानि karāṇāni buddhehe. All the other karanas, they are like dwaram for buddhi. They are the gateways. Tasmat tenaiva visheshyate vijnanamaya. Therefore, tena kena
बुद्ध्या
buddhya. So tena, you have to find something pulling. साधारण करणेन, we can say तेन साधारण करणेन विशेष्यते. विशेष्यते कः?
विज्ञानमयः
No. कः विशेष्यते? Who has विज्ञानमय as its विशेषणम? आत्मा विशेष्यते. कतम आत्मा? योऽयं विज्ञानमय. बुद्धेः सति प्राधान्य फलितम आह. So when buddhi is pradhana, then phalitam is this. So tasmat kareneshu buddheः प्राधान्यात् साधारण करणेन आत्मा विज्ञानमय शब्देन विशेष्यते. विज्ञानम परम ब्रह्म तत्प्रकृतिको जीवो विज्ञानमय इति भर्तृ प्रपंचैरुक्तम अनुवदति. भर्तृ प्रपंच, they will say विज्ञानम आनंदम ब्रह्म, विज्ञानम परम ब्रह्म. Brahma itself is vijnana swarupa and jiva is its prakriti. Tat prakritiko jiva. Tat prakritikaha. What is the meaning tat prakritikaha? Tat prakritir yasya jivasya saha jivaha brahma prakritikaha. So Brahma is upadanam for jiva, and therefore jiva vijnanamaya. In this way Bhartru Prapancha has done vyakhya. Yesham paramatma vignapti vikara iti vyakhyanam tesham vijnanamayo manomaya ityadau vijnanamaya shabdasya anyartha darshanat अश्रौतार्थता अवसीयते. In those acharyas in whose matam paramatma vignapti vikara iti vyakhyanam, in this way they have done vyakhyanam. Paramatma vignapti means Brahma. Brahma vikara is jiva. So they say jiva is vikara of Brahma. Tesham, in their matam, when the topic is of Vijnanamaya, Manomaya, at that time, later it will come in this Upanishad. At that time, how they have done Vyakhya, this is in 445, 8 number Tippani, in the Vijnanamayadi Granthe. At that time, he has done the Vyakhya of Vijnanamaya Shabda as Anyartha Darshanat. So there, Vijnanamaya Shabda, he has explained differently. How he has explained? Praya Artha. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar gave the meaning Vijnanamaya means Vijnana Praya. Bhartru Prapancha, here he says Vijnanamaya means Vijnana Vikara. Vijnana is Brahma, Brahma Vikara. And when it comes to Vijnanamaya topic, that time he says Vijnanamaya means Vijnana Praya. Anyartha Darshanat. Ashrautarthata avasiyate. So then, Tesham tad Vyakhyanasya Ashrautarthata. Their Vyakhyanam is lacking the Shruti Tatparya Abhava. Ashrautarthata. In Tika. विज्ञानमयादि ग्रंथे मयटो न विकारार्थता इति तैरेव उच्यते. इन विज्ञानमय ग्रंथ मयटो मयट प्रत्यय is not for vikarartha. This is what they have said there. So at that time, Vijnanamaya they have said is not for vikara, and here they have said Vijnanamaya is vikara. तत्र मनः समभिव्याहारात् विज्ञानं बुद्धिर् न च आत्मा तद विकारस् तस्माद् अस्मिन् प्रयोगे मयटो विकारार्थत्वं वदताम् स्वोक्ति विरोधः स्यादिति दूषयति. तत्र मनः समभिव्याहारात्. Here मनः समभिव्याहार means the Vijnanamaya is indicated along with Manomaya. So Vijnanam Buddhir Nacha Atma Tad Vikaras Tasmat. So there he has said Vijnanam Buddhi, not Atma. Tad Vikaras Tasmad Asmin Prayoge Mayato Vikararthatvam Vadata. So here if they say Mayat is for Vikarartha, then Swa Ukti Virodha Syat. And Swakti Virodha will take place. Iti Dushayati, Kesham, Vijnanamayo, Manomaya, etc. Katham Vijnanamaya Padartha Nirnayartham Prayogantaram Anushriyate Tatra. Katham Vijnanamaya Padartha Nirnayartham. For Vijnanamaya Padartha Nirnaya, why you have to use Prayogantaram elsewhere, how it is explained? Why can't you just use the meaning given here? Acharya says, Sandigdhascha padartho anyatra nishchita prayoga darshanan nirdharaitum shakyo vakya sheshat. When there is a doubt how a meaning of a word should be taken, Sandigdha, then anyatra nishchita prayoga darshanat, elsewhere if there is a nishchita prayoga, then here you can do nirdharanam based on that. Nirdharaitum shakyo vakya sheshat. And in Tika, they have given example now. Yatha Purodasham. This is from Puromimans. Purodasham Chaturdha Kritva Barhishadam Karoti iti Purodash Matra Chaturdha Karana Vakyam Ekartha Sambandina Shakhantariyena Agneyam Chaturdha Karoti iti Anena विशेष विषयतया निश्चितार्थेन आग्नेय एव पुरोडाशे व्यवस्थाप्यते यथा च अक्ताः शर्करा उपदधाति इति अत्र केन अक्तता इति अपेक्षायां तेजो वै घृतम् इति वाक्यशेषात् निर्णयस्तथा इहापि इत्यर्थः. Purodash is like lapsi, in the cracked wheat, they pound and then heat it in water, ghee, and they would be putting jaggery. In those days, sugar was never there. So that they make, that is Purodash. Chaturdha Kritva, fourfold when it is divided. Barhishadam karoti. Barhishadam means barhishi sthitam. Barhi is a yaga. Barhi means yaga. Karoti. Iti. Purodasha matra chaturdha karana vakyam. That Purodasha should be divided into four. Ekartha sambandhina. This is one meaning. Ekartha sambandhi. Purodasha. Tippani numbers you keep checking. Purodasha atma ekartha pratipadina. Shakhantariyana, in other shakha, Agneyam Chaturdha Karoti. Agneyam Ashtakapalam Chaturdha Karoti. Like that, the words come. Agneyam. Agneya Shabda, there is a sutra, Agner Dhak. Dhak Pratyay is there. Agnihi Asya Devata Sa Agneya. That karma whose devata is Agni is called Agneya. Sa Asya Devata. In this artha, Dhak Pratyakam. Sa Asya Devata is another sutra. Because of this sutra, Dhak Pratyakam. Dhak Pratyaya, so Dha is there, Dhak will become Ayaneyi Niyeya Padaga Chagam Pratyadina. Iti Dhakarasya A Adesh. Dha will become A. And then you have Agni, A, Agneya. It becomes Adivruddhi, Vikara Loka. Agneya. So Agneyam Chaturdha Karoti. Iti. So there also Chaturdha Karoti. Agneyam means where Agni is the Devata, that Yaga. Anena Vishesha Vishayataya Nishchitarthena. Agneya eva Purodashe Vyapasthapyate. So Agneya Purodashatmakai, Purodashatmaka ekarthaka Agni Devata ke. Agni Devata ke Purodashe Vyapasthapyate. How? Yatha cha aktaha sharkara upadadhati iti. Akta means the Anju dhatu is there. Vyakti mrakshana kanti gatishu. Akta means anointed. Nishtha pratyay is there. Aktaha sharkara upadadhati. Sharkara here means the sweet balls. And they are anointed with what? Iti atra kena aktata. So with ghee. Iti apekshayam. Tejo vai ghritam. So they are wrapped in ghee. Iti vakya shesha nirnaya. So he is just giving an example that when in a place one pada is there, you don't know the meaning of that pada, then you have to use it from elsewhere. So this example, I think, either we have already seen in Advaita Siddhi, it comes in Chitsuki also. Tejo vai ghrita iti vakya sheshat nirnaya. Tatha ihapi. In the same way here also, Vijnanamaya Shabda, we can use the reference later from the same Upanishad and say what is the meaning. आत्मनो विकारत्वे मोक्षानुपपत्यादि अबाधित न्यायात् वा विज्ञानमय पदार्थ निश्चय इत्यादि. If you say Atma, a Jiva, Shabda is Atmanah Vikara, then Moksha Anuvapatya. Moksha will not be there because it is Vikara. It is Anitya. And therefore, Abadhita Nyayat Va Vijnanamaya Padartha Nishchita. This is another way also we can do Nirnaya. Abadhita Nyaya, Nishchita Nyaya Baladva. Nishchita Nyaya. So this Nishchita Nyaya, on this there is a big tippani. Just see the Mimamsa Sutra. Arthadva Kalpana Ekadeshatvad iti. Mimamsa Sutra. Sruvena avadyati swadhitina. Utharena avadyati hastena avadyati iti atra. Sruva avadhiti swadhiti and hasta. Three things are given. Based on what is the dravya. One dravya or mamsa dravya or sangata dravya. So this is the Nishchita Nyaya. Nishchita Nyaya Balat. This is also from Mimamsa. For some of these details, you can get the Mimamsa Sutras, download and then read Mimamsa Sutras, Jaimini Maharshi. So there are translations available. For Brahma Sutra also, whenever there Mimamsa Sutra comes, anybody who is interested can refer to those things. Yaduktam nirnayo vakya sheshat iti tadeva vyanakti. What you said earlier, nirnayo vakya sheshat, the nirnaya can be done based on vakya shesha iti tadeva vyanakti. Sadhihi iti atra. Now this sadhihi in Madhyandina Shakha, this is the patha, sadhi. But in Kanva Shakha, the mantra says Sahi Swapno Bhutva. So Sahi Swapno Bhutva, but in Madhyandina Shakha, the Patha is Sadhi. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar, he has given Tika Bhashya on Sadhi Riti cha Uttaratra Patha. Later the Patha is Sadhi. Therefore here also he takes Sadhi. Ridyantar iti cha vachanat yuktam vijnana prayatvam. And it is Ridyantaha. Ridyanta means it is vijnana praya. Adharadi artha bhashya. Praneshu iti. Now next word. So katama atma iti. Yoyam vijnanamayaha. Next is praneshu. Praneshu iti vyatireka pradarsanartha saptami. Praneshu is vyatireka pradarsanartha saptami. It is saptami vibhakti to show vyatireka. यथा वृक्षेषु पाषाण इति सामीप्य लक्षण. वृक्षेषु पाषाण इंटिका. आधारादि अर्था सप्तमी दृष्टा सा कथम व्यतिरेक प्रदर्शनार्था इति. When it is said saptami is used for adhara, how do you say it is to show vyatireka? Vyatireka means not this. So if I say, he gives example, yatha vriksheshu pashana. Vriksheshu pashana means Not in tree there is a rock. In rock there is a tree. He gives example. Vate gava in second number tippani. Vate gava or Kupe Gargakulam. Where is the house of Garga Gotra people? Kupe, where the well is. In the well. In the well means next to the well. Next to the well means it is different from the well. Vriksheshu Pashana means Pashana is different from Vriksha. Vriksha is on the ground, on the earth, not on a rock. Bhavatu atrapi samipya lakshana saptami. So, yoyam vijnanamaya praneshu. So, what is the vyatireka here? It is different from prana. Praneshu means different from prana. This is the main meaning. Yatha vriksheshu pashana iti samipya lakshana. Bhavatu atrapi samipya lakshana saptami. Tathapi katham vyatireka pradarsanam ityasanga. Okay, here also there could be samipya. How it is showing vyatireka? Praneshu hi vyatireka avyatirekata sandhihyate atmana. Is Atma different from prana or one with prana? So praneshu vyatireka avyatirekata. Is it different or it is not different? This is where the doubt is. So by saying praneshu means it is different from prana. Like vriksheshu pashana means different from vriksha. Kupe gargakulam means different from kupa. Praneshu pranebhyo vyatirikta ityartha. Palitam saptamyartham abhinayati praneshu. So the result is shown through saptami. Teshu samipasthopi katham tebhyo vyatirichyate tatra. Okay, even if it is so proximate, how it is different from it? Yohi yeshu bhavati sa tad vyatirikto bhavati iti eva yatha pashaneshu vriksha. See, in the first line of this paragraph, he said yatha vriksheshu pashana. And now in the last line of this paragraph, yatha pashaneshu vriksha. So actually vriksheshu pashana means you should understand pashaneshu vriksha. Vriksha is not in the rock. Vriksha is always proximate to it, next to it. विशेषणांतरम आदाय व्यावर्त्याम शंकाम उक्त्वा पुनरवतार्य व्याकरोति. विशेषणांतरम आदाय, using another विशेषणांतरम, व्यावर्त्याम शंकाम, that shanka whose vyavritti will happen here, that shankam uktva punah avatarya vyakaroti. हृदि तत्र एतत् स्यात् प्राणेषु प्राण जातीय एव बुद्धिः स्यात् इति अतः. हृदि is the pratika. Then he explains तत्र एतत् स्यात् प्राणेषु प्राण जातीय एव बुद्धिः स्यात्. So somebody may have this buddhi, prana jatiya. So it is said hridhi antar iti. विशेषणांतरस्य तात्पर्य. This is the next विशेषण. योयम विज्ञानमयः first, प्राणेषु second, हृदि. So this विशेषणम हृत् शब्देन पुंडरीक आकारो मांसपिंडस तात्स्यात् बुद्धिर हृत हृत बुद्धि इज हृत तस्याम हृदि बुद्धौ पुंडरी का आकार मांसपिंड है मांसपिंड विच इज पुंडरी का आकार है द अपसाइड डाउन पुंडरी का तात्स्थ्यात् तात्स्थ्यात् so tatstha first we have to make then tasya bhavah tatsthyam tatstha how will we make
तस्मिन् तस्मिन् तिष्ठति इति तत्स्थः
there is
तस्थस्य भावः तास्यम्
for tatstha there is a sutra also supistha so ghatastha grihastha so stha will come at the end any subanta shabda like tat is a subanta shabda tatstha tasya bhava tatsthya तात्स्थ्य what is the pratyaya
Shay pratyaya.
shay what is the sutra for shay pratyaya
Gunavachana brahmanadityo karmani cha.
guna vachana brahmanadityah karmani cha so this is guna तात्स्थ्या बुद्धि हृत so buddhi is hrit tasyam hridi buddhau in that विशेषणांतरस्य तात्पर्यः अंतरिति ज्योति शब्दार्थमः ज्योतिः अंतरिति बुद्धि वृत्ति व्यतिरेक प्रदर्शनार्थम अंतर is buddhi वृत्ति व्यतिरेक ईश्वर means it is different from buddhi vritti it is different from prana and it has buddhi as its upadhi vijnanamayah praneshu hridi each word has a meaning to reveal atma ज्योति शब्दार्थम ज्योतिरवभासात्मकत्वात् आत्मा उच्यते ज्योति ही avabhasaatmakatvat jyoti is avabhasaatmaka we have already done all the anumanam to show it is jyoti swarupam atma uchyate tasya jyotishvam spashtayati what is the jyotishvam tena hi avabhasakena atma jyotisha aste palyayate karma kurute चेतनावान इव हि अयम कार्यकरण पिंडो यथा आदित्य प्रकाशस्थो घटो यथा वा मरकतादिर्मणि क्षीरादि द्रव्ये प्रक्षिप्तः परीक्षणाय आत्मच्छायमेव तत् क्षीरादि द्रव्यम करोति सो तेन आत्मना ज्योतिषा आस्ते पल्यते कर्म कुरुते चेतनावान इव द एंटायर कार्यकरण पिंड दिस शरीरादि आदित्य प्रकाशस्थ जस्ट लाइक एक मृत पिंड आदित्य प्रकाशस्थ मृत पिंड घट आदित्य प्रकाशस्थ हाउ इट गेट्स इल्यूमिनेट इट इज जड़ और मरकतादि मणि when it is put in the milk then it makes the entire milk illuminated. This is how they do parikshanam of markatadi mani. Prakshiptah parikshanaaya atmachayam eva tat kshiradi dravyam karoti. That kshiradi dravya everything becomes atmachayam. Tadrik etad atmajyotir buddherapi hridayat sukshmatvat. So this Atma Jyoti is sukshma, subtler than even buddhi also. बुद्धेरपि हृदयात् सूक्ष्मत्वात् हृदि अंतस्थम अपि हृदयादिकं कार्यकरण संघातं च एकीकृत्य आत्मज्योतिश्छायं करोति. So Atma is present in that buddhi hridayat sukshmatvat, but it is sukshma antastham hridayadikam karyakarana sanghatam. It illumines everything, like how Markatmani illumines everything. Atma jyoti is chayam karoti. It that chaya here means chidabhas. Everywhere chidabhas is upalabdha. Tika आत्म ज्योतिषा व्याप्तस्य कार्यकरण संघातस्य व्यवहार क्षमत्वे दृष्टान्तम. How because of the Atma Jyoti the entire कार्यकरण संघात gets illuminated, it gets chaitanya, and then it becomes capable of vyavahara. Vyavahara क्षमत्वे दृष्टान्तमाह यथा चेतनावान इव इति उक्तम दृष्टान्तेन उपपादयति. It is चेतनावान दृष्टांत that Marakatamani or Karyakarana Sanghata like Aditya Prakashastha. See here also Aditya Prakashastha Ghato. Hridayam Buddhis Tatopi Sukshmatvat Atma Jyotis Tadantasthamapi Hridayadikam Sanghatam Cha Sarvam Ekikritya Swachhayam Karoti iti. Hridayam buddhi tatopi sukshmatvad atmajyoti. Atmajyoti is sukshma then even buddhi residing within that buddhi. Tad antastham api hridayadikam sanghatam cha buddhi and the entire sanghata. How Chaitanya is present in the entire body. If Chaitanya is present in buddhi, how it makes everything, and everything is illumined only up to the tip of the finger, up to the head, up to the toe. Outside, everything is jada. So, hridayadi sanghatam cha sarvam ekikritya, putting everything together. Swachhayam karoti means in all of them, Chaitanya abhasa is available. Swachhayam swabhasa yuktam karoti iti kritva यथोक्त मणि सादृश्यम उचितम इति दार्ष्टान्तिक योजना. इति कृत्वा मीन्स इन दिस वे. The Markat Mani Drishtanta you have to apply in this Darshtanta. प्रथम इदम आत्मज्योतिः सर्वम आत्मच्छायम करोति तत्र. How this आत्मज्योतिः सर्वम आत्मच्छायम करोति, how it illumines everything, that दृष्टान्त is given पारंपर्येण. भाष्य पारंपर्येण सूक्ष्म स्थूल तारतम्यात् सर्वांतरतमत्वात्. सूक्ष्म स्थूल तारतम्य, there is a gradation. Atma is all the way in. First Sukshma, then something grosser, then grosser, then grosser, then grossest. Vishayadishu pratyagatmanteshu. Vishayo adir yasya. Tat Vishayadi. Teshu Vishayadishu. And Pratyagatmanta. All the way up to Pratyagatma. In them there is Taratamya. Uttarottaram Sukshmata Taratamyata. Taratamyat. Teshu eva Atmadi Vishayanteshu Sthula Taratamyatcha. So Indriyabhya Parahirthaha Arthebhyashta Paramanaha in this way. आत्मादि विषयांतेषु स्थूल तारतम्याच्च प्रतीचः सर्वस्माद् अंतरतमत्वात्. आत्मा इज सर्वस्माद् अंतरतम. तत्र तत्र स्वाकार हेतुत्वम अस्ति इत्यर्थः. स्व आकार हेतु. In all of them, Atma makes them like itself, means illumine. They all become Vishayadi all the way up to Atma. Everything becomes like Atma, means like Chaitanya. Chaitanya with Vyavahara Samarthyam they get. Buddhir Atma Chayatvam Samarthayate. How Buddhi has Atma Chayatvam? Buddhistavat Swachhatvat Anantaryacha Atma Chaitanya Jyotihi Pratichaya Bhavati. Tena hi Vivekinamapi Tatra Atmabhimana Buddhihi Prathama. Buddhi is the first one. It is Swachha and Anand Swachatvad Anantaryacha. Anantaryat Swakarana Ajnana Matra Vyavahitatya. Only between Atma and Buddhi, only Ajnanam is the Avarana. So Atma Chaitanya Jyotihi Pratichaya. Chidabhasa is available there. Atma Chaitanya Jyotihi Pratichaya is one shabda. Ek pad. Jyote hai ane Jyote hai. Shashti will be Jyote. Right? Pratichaya bhavati. लौकिक परीक्षकाणाम बुद्धौ आत्माभिमान भ्रांतिम उक्ते अर्थे प्रमाण्यते. For लौकिक people and parikshaka. Laukika means shastra asамskృత धियः. Parikshaka means pramane artha vicharaka. Parikshaka. Everybody gets this bhranti. I am buddhi. I am intellect. So that is the first mistake. Then everywhere Chaitanya is available through Adhyasa, that this is all Adhyasa Parampara. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.